Hello guys, welcome to another video, and I have another package here for you guys, and this is going to be a continuation of our mechanical pencil series. At the time when I'm actually recording this, I'm not exactly sure what's inside this package here, but you guys will know what it is once I put the title up. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm not going to show the opposite side of the actual package because I've got my shipping information on there, and I don't need to show that. So let's go ahead. Okay, so this one here is actually a Pentel Orenz. I think that's how you pronounce it. 0.7mm lead. This was actually a suggestion from one of my subscribers. He asked me to actually review this particular mechanical pencil, and here it is. So it's the anti-braking lead system. So I guess according to this, that some reason somehow it's designed in a way that it won't let the leads break. So advancements of lead not required. Okay, so apparently advances the lead by itself. But you got Orenz over here with automatic pencil. Of course, it's made by Pentel. And then on the back here it says how to use Orenz. Figure 1 and figure 2 one's got a check mark, one's got an X. Click once to advance the pipe through the lead. Adjust length of the lead to the same length as the pipe. See figure 1. Okay. Advancing too much may cause the lead to break during riding. Well, okay, so how to ride without advancing the lead. Slide pipe protects head from breaking. Alright, pipe features a smooth edge which will never tear paper when writing. And there's a little, or an old tube scanner here as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, and pull this out. So there it is. Alright. It's a very light mechanical pencil. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I absolutely love this color. It just pops. The camera's kind of showing it brighter than what it actually is. It's slightly darker. Oh, let's get you guys a little closer here so you can see a little bit better. So the clip seems to be very strong. Is there any lids inside? It sounds like there's lids inside. So let's see. Okay, so it comes with an eraser. How long is this eraser? So this is a very long eraser, so you can actually adjust it as you're using it. Let's see how many lids are in here. There's one set of lids in here. And of course this one here has got the big hole in it. Looks like it's got a big hole in it, so it doesn't take very much. Actually, holds it in pretty well. So you gotta go like almost like a 45 degree before it comes off. So that's pretty, that's a good feature. And let's see here. Okay. Okay, I see. So I don't know if I can show this to you guys or not, but this barrel actually comes out. Kind of see it. So this was what's I guess when you write with it, it kind of must push the lead forward automatically. And I just like the way this end is tapered here. It's not like flat. It's got almost like it's wider over here, and it just narrows it right down. It's not like another like a regular mechanical pencil where it's just tapered. This has got a little bit of a little slot, I guess you'd say. Don't know how that'd be the best way to kind of describe it. But it's the pencil's thin and feels like that you can write with this all day. Okay, so let's check it out and see. So let's see here. Okay, so I pushed down on it, it doesn't seem to move. So how it advances, I'm not sure. Okay, so let's try bringing just a little bit, because I want to see if he just keeps advancing here. That's actually pretty cool, and the lead actually just stays. It actually stays the length that you set it at. That's pretty neat, actually. Pretty interesting design. Okay, let's see how this eraser erases. It's not perfect. But that could also have been for me the pressing too hard on the paper too. Yeah, so it was me just pressing a little hard. That's why there's a little bit of residue here. And then the eraser, does it stay pretty clean? There's a little bit of dirt on there. I don't know if you guys can. Yeah, you guys can't see it there. So there's a little bit of dirt there, but it's not too bad. Cool mechanical pencil. I like it a lot, actually. So this is the Pentel Orenz 0.7mm leads. Yeah, nice pencil. So that's basically my kind of quick unboxing and my kind of first impressions of this mechanical pencil here. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like the rest, like my content, please subscribe. Just a reminder that I'm trying to run a giveaway here. So to get the details, watch my 1,000 subscribers celebration video. I'll put a link up on top there for you guys. And until the next video, thank you.